Okay, welcome to the second session of number series. In this session, we will be covering some important kind of questions where the calculation and pattern is something different. So let us start. The question number one we have is series is like this. We have to find the pattern in the question and we have to find out the wrong number in the series. So while looking at the series, this 24 multiplied by 2 plus 4, that is 52, because 24 multiplied by 2, that is 48, and 48 multiplied by 4, that is 52. Okay, I just make the note here. 24 multiplied by 2 plus 4, so that is 52, right? And thereafter 52 multiplied by 2 plus 4, if we do this will be 104 plus 4, so here we will get the number 108, and thereafter 108 multiplied by 2 plus 4, so 108 multiplied by 2, we will reach to the number 116, and 116 plus 4, this will be 120, sorry 220. So here we can say that the number 112 is wrong. There should be 108 in the place of 112, right? So I guess the concept will be clear. Okay, coming to the next question, like the question is series is this, and here we have to find the wrong number. So if we look at the series is starting from the lower number and going to the higher number. So what pattern we can find? Okay, this series is not in the multiple, because here the 100 digit is 2, here also the 100 digit is 2, so this number cannot be a multiple of this number. Okay, but another series can be there. We can find the difference of these two numbers, right? If you look at the difference, so difference will be 289 multiplied by 289 minus 224, so here difference will be of 64, right? Okay, 64 is the square of 8. Thereafter if we check over here, what is the difference? The difference is of 49, and 49 is 7 square. Okay, so in first two numbers we are getting 8 square, and in the second two numbers we are getting 7 square. Okay, next if we find out the difference here, the difference will be of 64. 64 is 6 square, right? So pattern is 8 square, 7 square, 6 square. After this the difference should be of 25, right? Because 25 is 5 square. But here if you look at here, the difference is of 23, and 23 is not the square of any number. So I can say that this number is wrong, right? If we put 5 square here, that is 25, that is 5 square, that thereafter this number should be 399, right? Because if we take the difference of 399 and 374, this will give us 25, and 25 is 5 square. So here the wrong number will be 397, right? Okay, question number third. Here we have a new kind of pattern that is most important in the term of examination. Once we look, like the series is 35, 118, 280, 600, 120. Okay, either one thing we can check, the number can be in the multiples, right? Can be in the multiples. But if we look at the multiple, like multiply by 3, 35 multiplied by 3, this will give us 105, and 105 plus what number? 105 plus 13 will give us 118. Okay, thereafter if we check here, this will give us 236, and 236 multiplied with greater number we cannot find out. Okay, let us check any other series if there is building. Okay, let us find the difference of these two numbers, right? Let us find the difference of these two numbers. Okay, if we look at the difference, this will give us 83, right? If we look at the difference here, this will give us 162, right? If we look at the difference here, this will give us 320. If you look at the difference here, this will give us 638. Okay, first check if there is a pattern existing or not. Okay, first check 83 multiplied by 2. What number? This will give us 166. And multiply by 2 minus 4, if we do like multiply by 2 minus 4. First multiply by 2. So 83 multiplied by 2 is giving us 166 and minus 4 then giving us 162. Okay, this can be a pattern. And further, if we do the same thing here, multiply by 2 minus 4, so 162 multiplied by 2 is giving us 324, and 324 minus 4 is giving us 320, right? Okay, same thing we can apply here also. Multiply by 2 minus 4, if we do the same, like multiply by 2, this will give us 640, right? And 640 minus 4, if we will do, then we will get the number 636. That means here there is some error. This number, that means this number is wrong. We should have the number 1236 in the place of 1238, right? Okay, coming to the next question, like the question is 10, 12, 28 and so on. You are looking at the series. Okay, what can be the pattern here? If we look, so this can be 10 multiplied by 1 plus 2, that is 12, right? Thereafter we can get 12 multiplied by 2 plus 4, 12 multiplied by 2, that is 24, and 24 plus 4, that is 48, right? 28, right? Thereafter 28 multiplied by 3 plus 6, if we check 28 multiplied by 3, this will give us 3 8 is 24, carry 2, 2 3 is 6, and this will give us 84. 84 plus 6, that is equal to 90. That means this 90 number is also correct. After this 90, what should be the number? 90 multiplied by 4 plus 8. If we calculate 90 multiplied by 4, this will give us 360, and 360 plus 8, that is 368. This number is also correct. Thereafter, this should be 368 multiplied by 5 plus 10. Okay, let us check. 5 8 is 40, 0, carry 4, 5 6 is 30, 30 plus 4, 34, carry 3, 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 3, 18. And plus 10, this will give us 1850. But the number we have is 1840. So the wrong number is 1840. The number that should be here is 1850. So I guess these 4 questions will be clear, right? Okay, coming to the next series of the questions. Okay, so next question is 1, 2, 5, 14, 41 and 124. Here we have to find the wrong number. Okay, if we try to find out the pattern, what can be the pattern? Okay, you try first. Okay, so pattern can be, if we look at the difference of 2 and 1, that is 1 here. If we look at the difference of 2 and 5, that is 3 here. The difference of 5 and 14, that is 9 here. If you look at the difference, this will be 27 here. So there is a particular series of 1, 3, 9, 27, right? Okay, thereafter the next digit should be net difference should be 81, right? And if we look at the difference, is it of 81? No, this is not of 81. This is the difference of 83. So if to make the difference of 81, the number should be 122. So here the wrong number is 124. Right? Okay, coming to the next question, question number 6. Like the question is 1, 2, 6, 24 and so on. Okay, first you try to find the pattern. What can be the pattern? Okay, the pattern is very simple. 1 multiplied by 2, we will get 2. Multiplied by 3, we will get 6. Multiplied by 4, we will get 24. Multiplied by 5, we will get 120. Multiplied by 6, we will get 720. So here the wrong number is 620. There should be 720 in the place of 620. Right? Okay, coming to the next question, like question number 7. Okay, first you try to find out the pattern. Okay, the pattern is, here we have the difference of 6, here we have the difference of 12, and here we have the difference of 18. That means the difference is of 6, 12, 18, and thereafter the difference should be of 24, right? And if we give the difference of 24, the number should be 64 here in the place of 34. And if we check the next digit, after 24, the digit should be 30, the difference should be of 30. If we add 30 to 64, the number should be 94. So here the wrong number is 34. There should be 64 in the place of 34. Right? Okay, coming to the next one, question number 8. Okay, first you try to find out the pattern. The pattern is very simple. Like the pattern is multiplied by 2 plus 2, we will get 4, right? And here the pattern is multiplied by 2 minus 1. If we solve multiply by 2 minus 1, this will give us 4 multiplied by 2, that is 8, and minus 1 will give us 7. So the wrong number would be 8. We should have 7 in the place of 8. Okay, if we further solve it, multiply by 2 plus 2, 7 multiplied by 2, that is 14, and 14 plus 2, the number will be 16. And thereafter if we check, multiply by 2 minus 1, so 16 multiplied by 2 will be 32, and 32 multiplied by 1 will give us 31. Thereafter again multiply by 2 plus 2, so 31 multiplied by 2, we will get 62, and 62 plus 2, we will get 64. So here the wrong number is 8. We should have 7 in the place of 8. So I guess all these 4 questions will be clear to you all. Okay, coming to the next questions. Okay, if we look at the pattern of question number 9, like the pattern is, like the series is 49, 56, 64. Okay, first you try to find out the pattern. Okay, if we are looking the numbers in the series, this number is 7 square, this number is 8 square, this number is 9 square, and this number is 10 square in the series, right? Okay, what pattern is there in the another numbers? like this is 7 square plus 7. If we add 7 to 49, we will get 56. And if we will add 8 to 64, we will get 72. That means here 71 is the wrong number. The same pattern we can check next also. 81 plus 9, we are getting 90. So this is correct. And if we add 10 to 100, we are getting 110. That means this is correct. So that means here wrong number will be 71. There should be 72 in the place of 71. Right? Okay. Question number 10. Okay, first you try to find out the pattern. Okay, this pattern can be multiplied by 2 minus 5, because when we will do like 9 multiplied by 2, that is 18, and 18 minus 5, that is 13, right? Okay, and if we will do the same, multiply by 2 minus 5, so 13 multiplied by 2, 26, and 26 multiplied by 5, we are getting 21. Okay, and if we do the same thing like multiply by 2 minus 5, so 21 multiplied by 2, we will get 42, right? And 42 minus 5, we are getting 37, because 37, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, right. Thereafter 37 multiplied by 2 minus 5, if we do, so 37 multiplied by 2, we are getting 64, right? And 64 minus 5, we are getting 69. That means this number is also correct. And 69 multiplied by 2 minus 5, if we do like 62 multiplied by 2, what will be the number? 2 9 is 18, 8 carry 1, 2 6 is 13 plus 1, 2 6 is 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. So 138, and 138 minus 5, if we do, so this number will be 133. So here this number is wrong. We should have 133 in the place of 132. Right? Okay, coming to the next one, question number 11. Okay, first you try to find out the pattern in this question. Okay, so the pattern is, if you look at the difference in 9 and 15, the difference is of 6. If you look at the difference here, the difference will be of 9, right? And if we look at the difference here, the difference should be of 6, 9. The difference should be of 12, right? The difference should be of 12. And if we put the difference of 12, the number should be 36 here. And thereafter, we would have to put the difference 6, 9, 12, 15, right? And if we add 15 to 36, the number will be 51. So here the wrong number will be 34. We should have 36 in the place of 34. Right? Okay, coming to the next question. Question number 12. 1, 3, 8, 19, 42, 881 and 184. Any answer? Okay, if we look at the difference here is of 2, here we have 5, here we have 11, here we have 23, and here we have the difference is of 47 here, and here the difference is of 95, right? Okay, so now are you getting any pattern in the series? Okay, so pattern can be now multiplied by 2 plus 1, 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1, that is 5, and 5 multiplied by 2 plus 1, that is 11, and 11 multiplied by 2 plus 1, that is 23, and 23 multiplied by 2 plus 1, if we will do, then we will have the answer like 46 plus 1, 47, this is also correct, and multiply by 2 plus 1 if we do, so 47 multiplied by 2, we will have 94, and 94 plus 1, 94 plus 1, that is 95. So we should have we should have 89 in the place of 88, right? Okay, so I guess these questions are also clear. Okay,